Hey my loves, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. You're watching me, Nidhi Jain, and I'm back because festive season is here. How could we not do a festive kurta set haul from Amazon? And you know, I love shopping kurta sets which are affordable yet good quality, and you guys love these videos as well. So here I am with my festive kurta set haul. So let's get started and let's get rolling. Amazon already has that Great Freedom Festival live and they have discounts raining, and I got these pieces and some jewelry sets as well, which I'll be showing you in the haul today. So just stick by. The very first set is this pink lavender set from the brand Indoera, and if you know my hauls, you know I love this brand. It is a very good affordable brand, like a mid-range brand wherein you get good festive kurta sets as well for a good budgeted price. Now this right here is a three-piece beautiful embroidered silk kurta set. So festive season has, so silk kurta sets are in right now, and with the touch of embroidery they just add up to the elegance of the kurta set. So that is how the kurta comes in. You can see it has a beautiful embroidered neckline, cut work and embroidered detailing done, and it just runs down on the kurta, and then there you go. These are your almost full length sleeves, which are super pretty. They are embroidered. They also have like vertical shifty work done on the piece, and at the edges you see there is embroidery done. It is floral embroidery highlighted with zari embroidery as well, and at the edges you get a beautiful lace panel added which just makes up to the piece. The sleeves are actually the catch in the kurta set. The entire kurta is plain. Again, at the bottom of the kurta you would get the same lace detailing done at the bottom. So that's the kurta. It's a straight fit calf length kurta. With that you get straight fit palazzo trousers that you would get along with the kurta. These are semi elasticated. I picked up the size medium, and I think size medium the kurta was kind of fitting well, but the pants were kind of loose for me, so you can like buy accordingly. And with that, there you go, you get an ultra soft dupatta with this. It is all digitally printed floral print on it. It feels like chinon to me. So that is the kurta. That is the dupatta that you would get. It is super soft, airy and lightweight, so you can like easily manage this dupatta. It is very manageable and soft, you see. So that is the dupatta that you would get along with this kurta set. Now this is priced at 1,399, and that is how it looked on the website on the model, and 1,399 is the price for it. There are color variants also available in this. For example, this white one, elegant again. The same set is also available in a mustard yellow tone. Then you get it in the green shade as well. Slight bit of the neckline pattern is changed right here. You get a mandarin collar. Black available in this. So whichever you like. It's a great like Pakistani style kurta set, and I really liked it. Honestly, it's very beautiful. So that was the first kurta set. Personal favorites is this set from Indoera again. Oh my god, this set would be just perfect for the Raksha Bandhan season, and even if you want to attend like baby shower, this would be just perfect because it has tones of pink and blue both in the kurta set. So again, it is three-piece set, very beautiful. Let me just quickly show you. That is the kurta. It is again silk blend material with a V neck, and it is all embroidered with pitta zari work. You can see the neckline is all embellished with pitta zari work done, and you get 3/4 sleeves with again the same pitta zari work done on the front as well as the back side of the kurta. And then you also get like small motifs on the entire kurta length. That is like the kurta, very pretty, like very minimalistic. It is like a soft gold finish. It is not very bright gold that would, you know, catch your eyes. It is very subtle and very pretty. So that is the kurta. With that you get solid trousers which are semi-elasticated. I feel size medium trousers are like too big, like this is too big for me, but you can definitely alter it or opt for a size down. So those are the trousers, straight fit again with the same kind of pitta zari work done. So that was the trouser and kurta, and with that you get a beautiful contrast organza dupatta with a floral digital print on it, and dupatta also has this beautiful scalloped border with the same pitta zari work embellished on it, which is so beautiful. And it also has a like small motifs are also dispersed on the entire dupattas. It is very pretty. Like you get the work on all of the perimeters of the dupatta. Super elegant, very good quality organza material, and it is just so pretty. You would fall in love with this. Just look at it, like you can see it better in the try on part, and trust me, you would fall in love with this set. So that was the second kurta set that I ordered, and I feel would be perfect for the festive season, and that is how it looked on the model. Came out even more beautiful, I would say. Now this one is priced at 1899. You get 3 color variants. The one I showed was pink and blue dupatta combination. You also get like blue kurta set, and with that there is this off-whitish dupatta combination, or else you get an off-white kurta set with pink dupatta combination. So these are the 3 combos that you can try, whichever you like. You can opt for that. I personally loved this, and it is so worth it. Plus that there is sale going on, so you can get discounts on these as well. So definitely check it out and add it to your cart. I will have their purchase links mentioned in the description box, so you can check it out from there. And then the third set, which is this right here. Oh my god, now this set is a showstopper set. Now why I like it? Firstly, because it's white. Secondly, it has beautiful hand embroidery done, and the pattern is going to steal your heart as well, just like it did mine. So let me just show you. Now this is a beautiful silk blend material again, 3-piece anarkali style kurta set. There you go, that is the main kurta, which has a beautiful neckline, very different. It's like a deep V with a center panel done, and with that you get like 3/4 sleeves with the same kind of embroidery, and the neckline is also highlighted with hand embroidery on both the sides. Rest the entire kurta is plain solid white. So there you see, you can see the embroidery up close right here. It is so beautiful, so worth every penny. You can see it has like beautiful 3D flowers and roses, and it is also highlighted with mini pearls and you know, इसे दबके का काम कहते हैं या चीट का काम कहते हैं. It is also used to highlight it. So I really liked the pipe work as well as the moti pearl work that they've done to highlight. Center pe yahan pe they also have like tassels. Then you get like 3/4 sleeves like so, with the same kind of embroidery. Here it is machine embroidery and the lace detailing at the edges. It also has again the cut work pattern done on the front as well as on the back side. And at the bottom of the kurta, as I said, it's a A-line pattern, no slit. बस edge के इतने से distance पे there is like a cut for comfort while you walk on both the sides. Okay, so that's the slit that you get. And इसके नीचे organza material पे again you get this embroidery done. So very beautiful set. You can see it in the try on. It looks even more beautiful than what I am describing right now. You would really like it as well. You would get same material silk blend के trousers, straight fit trousers है, जिसके आगे के side you would get embroidery का patch done. पीछे के side से it is plain. Okay, पीछे से plain है, आगे से embroidery का patch is done. So these are the trousers. These are again semi-elasticated silk blend material trousers. So those were the trousers with it, and with that you get a very soft floral digital printed dupatta to go along with. So like the entire kurta is very solid and plain, and uske saath when you pair it with this gorgeous you know, floral dupatta, it just adds up to the piece, because then it looks so beautiful and rich. I personally loved how the set is. Now this feels like a soft organza material to me. So that was the set, and I'll quickly show you how it looks on the model. That is the model wearing the same kurta set, and so pretty, right? Now this one I purchased in the size medium. This one was priced for 1799 rupees. इसमें बहुत सारे colors available है, like this red one right here. You see एक red color available है. In the same you can also get a black one. इसमें pink भी available है. It's like a magenta pink. Then you get this purple. Again very pretty. Green भी है, like variety की कोई कमी नहीं है. There are so many color options. I'm sure you're gonna get the one that you like the most. And a yellow as well. So whichever you like, I would have their links in the description. You can check it out. मैंने तो white वाला लिया है. Let me know which shade you liked the most. So those were the kurta sets that I ordered. उसके साथ I also ordered 2 jewelry pieces from the brand Zenimi, which I'll just quickly show you all. The very first one is this beautiful 80 diamonds का choker and earring set, which is like so extremely pretty and dazzling. इसके साथ you get these earrings that I'm wearing right now. So the choker and the earrings, just look at it. This just adds up to the beauty of the piece. ये मैंने पूरा silver tone में लिया है. Like base is also silver and the crystals are also silver. You have different variations available in this. Rose gold है, so you can like choose whichever you like. There you go. That is the set on the website. Extremely pretty and it is available in many different variants. As I said, जो मैंने लिया है that is white rhodium. इसके अलावा you get white rose gold, जो आपको rose gold tone में मिलेगा. You can also get white and rose black. ये हल्का सा finish का difference है इसमें. You can like opt whichever one you like. या gold में ले सकते हो, rose gold ले सकते हो, या silver ले सकते हो, या rose gold black ऐसा gun metal effect है, ये वाला ले सकते हो. It is priced at 1118, but इसके साथ you also get like floating coupons available. So कुछ around 1000 you can grab it with the coupons. So you can definitely check this one out. The second earrings that I ordered is again from the same brand Zenimi, and these are very beautiful. And I think ऐसे earrings go with any and every kind of outfit. Those are the earrings. They have a beautiful gunmetal design on the top with pink diamonds and नीचे teardrop design है. It is filled with diamonds again. They just look super elegant and pretty. They came just in as they were shown on the website. And these were priced at 600 something, so 649 है, and with the coupon 636 rupees में ये पड़ता है. इसमें भी colors available है. You can get the lime green and the silver वाला option, या तो you can get the entire silver thing. ऊपर diamonds भी silver है, crystals भी silver है. So you can get the entire silver or the pink or the mint green one. I picked the pink one up because ये contrast में किसी भी कुर्ता सेट के साथ चले जाते हैं. And yes, those were all of the kurta sets and jewelry pieces that I picked up for the festive season coming up next. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and sub products के links I would have in the description box all listed, so you can just directly check it out from there and shop them from the Amazon app. They already have this sale live, and back to back कोई ना कोई sale अभी लगने वाला है because festive season is here. So do not forget to check them out and add it to your cart so that you do not miss and purchase them if you want in time before they run out of stock. So yes, with that being said, we shall meet soon in the next one. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.